The MGA has long been a symbol of 1950s British automotive charm, combining style, elegance, and a sense of freedom on the open road. However, Frontline Cars has taken this classic to a whole new level with the introduction of the MGA Factory Edition, a retro-inspired masterpiece that combines the best of the past with the technology of today. Revealed ahead of its debut at the Goodwood Members Meeting later this month, the MGA Factory Edition blends nostalgia with modern performance in a way that will have classic car enthusiasts and new drivers alike staring in awe. This Reborn MGA comes in both coupe and roadster configurations, offering two distinct ways to experience a piece of motoring history. But these aren't just your standard 1950s MGAs. The models are meticulously restored, then modified with subtle exterior design tweaks that retain the car's iconic look while introducing some modern upgrades. The modern LED headlights give the classic a sharper, more contemporary appearance, while the new 15-inch wire wheels enhance its stance and appeal. For those seeking even better performance, there are optional Dunlop-style alloy wheels that reduce unsprung mass and improve handling. Inside the MGA Factory Edition, Frontline has managed to keep the retro charm intact while incorporating modern technology. The cabin features classic Smith's gauges, giving you that vintage feel. But that's not all, there are also practical additions like door pockets and a modern audio system with a hidden head unit, which keeps the interior looking retro while offering Bluetooth connectivity and quality sound with 2 speakers, 2 tweeters, and an amplifier. For comfort, buyers can opt for power windows, heated front seats, and air conditioning, all modern amenities wrapped in a classic package. A wireless smartphone charger is also available, allowing you to stay connected while enjoying the open road. But what really sets the MGA Factory Edition apart is its performance. Under the hood, this Reborn classic is anything but old school. The 2.0-liter Duratec engine delivers an impressive 225 horsepower and 178 lb-ft of torque, making it more than capable of keeping up with today's high-performance vehicles. Paired with a Mazda-sourced 5-speed manual transmission, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.8 seconds, reaching a top speed of 155 miles per hour. If that's not fast enough, customers can opt for a 2.5-liter engine that produces 290 horsepower and 243 lb-ft of torque, shaving the 0 to 60 miles per hour time to an exhilarating 4.1 seconds. Despite the increased power, the top speed remains unchanged at 155 miles per hour. Performance upgrades aren't limited to the engine, though. The MGA Factory Edition ditches the old-school leaf springs in favor of a fully adjustable 5-link rear suspension for a smoother, more precise ride. Add to that electronic power steering, a limited slip differential, and a modern braking system with 2- and 4-piston calipers, and you've got a car that feels as advanced as it looks, with the driving dynamics to match. This car is not just a nostalgic nod to the past, it's a high-performance machine that's built for modern driving. As Tim Fenna, the founder of Frontline, puts it, this is a car that looks and feels like a classic but drives like something far more advanced. It's light, fast, and incredibly rewarding, but still, unmistakably, an MGA. Available in both right-hand and left-hand drive configurations, the MGA Factory Edition is now available for order. Deliveries are expected to begin in the summer of 2026, so there's plenty of time to prepare for the arrival of this truly remarkable car. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or someone looking for a unique driving experience, the MGA Factory Edition promises to be a thrilling ride, blending the best of both worlds.